When major database providers like Oracle, SQL Server, or MySQL use the term database, they don't completely mean the same thing. When speaking of Oracle, you have a very simple structure. It's mostly a set of files on disk, and that means all files, data files, control files, redo logs, and metadata. Users exist at the database level, and schemas are tied directly to users. So if you have a Landon user, then you have a Landon schema. PostgreSQL is very similar. It's also a set of files on disk. In this case, schemas are independent namespaces, meaning they're not tied to the user. And the concept of both users and groups is combined together into something called a role, which exists at the instance level, not the database level. The PostgreSQL layout is a more standards pure implementation, having databases that contain schemas that contain objects. In SQL Server, things are a little bit different. You still have a set of files on disk. In this case, the schemas are also independent namespaces, not tied to a user, but it also implements a default schema named DBO for DB owner. The typical layout for SQL Server is to have authorization defined at the database level with a user, and authentication defined at the instance level with a login. And MySQL is different in other ways. It too has a set of files on disk, but in this case, a database is equivalent to a schema. There is no separate schema layer like the others, effectively making it a collection of related tables. Much like with PostgreSQL, the users exist at the instance level. I hope this helps you understand each of the major database implementations. For more content, like and subscribe.